人工智能在招聘中有什么具体应用？今天介绍的公司叫做 Opground， 2020年在西班牙的巴塞罗那成立。它开发了一个人工智能的招聘平台，对 IT 从业者免费开放。整个流程也非常的简单，您只需要和他们的聊天机器人进行一场面试，就是以那种 WhatsApp 的对话形式，30分钟。这项就相当于接受了超过500家公司的首轮面试。人工智能会根据您的聊天记录，自动推荐和您的技能和经验相关的职位，而且整个过程是匿名的，一直到您发现有满意的目标公司，然后可以和潜在雇主联系。Opground 如何助力公司招聘呢？作为公司，只需要上传所有的职位空缺，在不到5分钟的时间内 ，Opground 已经预选了超过9000名的技术人员，系统自动在平台上匹配相关的人才。在观看过候选人首轮面试的情况后，如果您觉得合适的话，您就可以发一条即时消息给候选人进行后续的环节，非常的方便。Opground 是由谁创立的呢？ Opground 的联合创始人和 CEO Eduard Teixido 毕业于西班牙的加泰罗尼亚理工大学，本科学习机械工程，之后继续深造，拿到了产品开发设计与工程硕士。毕业之后，他成为了一名机械工程师，在2022年成立了 Opground。另外，在新冠肺炎疫情期间，他也开始了自己的播客，主要是采访业界的技术人员，还有讨论时事和趋势。另外，他在业余时间也协助 NASA 组织国际太空应用挑战赛赛事。我们一起来听听他的创业故事吧。Could you please let me know why you started the company?
I think it started when I was 20. I was studying mechanical engineering and I invented a product. So at this time, I wanted to find an IT professional who was able to develop the software part. I was able to do the hardware part, but not the software. I just keep the project because I couldn't find anybody. You can find a lot of people in LinkedIn, but it's so much difficult to find someone who also is mutually interested in what you're doing. And it's even more difficult if you have no salary to pay for that job, no? And a few years later, with another invention, I found myself in the same situation. And then thinking about that as a professional, when I was designing machines, I found that I was always open for job opportunities or new opportunities, but it's so much time consuming to look for that opportunities. So in that moment, I realized that all the processes in all the type of job platforms that there are, they focus on the resume, while the most important thing is not the resume. So the most important thing is the first interview. I understood that the problem is that solutions should focus on the first interview and not on the resume. And here I started to see a different approach of solving this problem. And then I started to look for a team. We found a team and we developed the solution that we have nowadays.
Great. So what kind of challenge have you faced so far? The top 3 one.
The top 3 one was the funding, because we started during COVID. So the situation was pretty unstable. And the second one was, of course, getting knowledge of the market, because any of us was involved in the HR sector. So we took a long time to understand the problem, understand the market, and although it was a pain, I think it was an advantage, not knowing the sector from inside, because we could have a perspective from outside and not having some decisions taken, because always has been like this, you know. We were always asking ourselves if something was really necessary or was really useful to take in consideration. And the third one, building the team. It's so hard to find co-founders, because you need a really close relation, mindset. You have to be aligning at so many levels. So I spent months looking for a co-founder. I really think I found the best co-founders I could ever have. But yeah, the most 3 things will be the funding, the knowledge of the market, and also, of course, funding the team.
人工智能在招聘领域还有哪些应用呢？欢迎留言。第一次刷到视频的朋友，欢迎关注本频道，Kelly带您轻松了解全球前沿科技和创业项目。